Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Twitch shake / Twitch transition on Video Star. So let's just get straight into the video. Alright, so to begin with, you're already going to want to have your two photos or videos, but I will let you know that if you do use a video, we're going to end up reversing the clips, so it might not come out the same way you'd expect, but it still looks just as good on video. Just wanted to put that out there. Alright, so you want to have your two photos or videos in your timeline. Go to your first part and press on new, press on multi-layer, press on layer 1, and then import your photo or video. And then press on edit keyframes and go over not that much. So I'll go over to 4, like 0.04. And I'm going to put down a path keyframe and go back to the very beginning of the clip and just drag the clip all the way up. Now I'm going to go back to where the second keyframe is, and I'm going to click on this straight line next to path, and I'm going to scroll down until I get to these little curvy options, and I'm going to press on this option. Now I'm going to click away from that, press on back. Now I'm going to press on mirror and select the last option, and I'm going to press on color and then select tracking blur. And if you don't know where that is, it's fine. You can use this little search tool right here. Now play it back just to make sure you like everything. I kind of dragged it off to the left, so I'm going to fix that. Okay, I'm going to press back, press on create, now I'm going to press done. Now I'm going to press on new, press on motion, and I'm going to select this reverse option and press on apply, and I'm going to press save. So now your video should look something like this. Okay, and if you want the Twitch shake to be at the start of the clip too, you'll do exactly what we did, except you won't add the reverse. So I'm going to go do that really quickly. Okay, now we're going to go to the second clip and press on new, press on multi-layer, press on layer 1, then import your picture or video. Now press on edit keyframes, and we're literally going to do the exact same thing. So go about 4 over, 0.04 over, place down a path keyframe, and then right here you can also change the path's curve. So yeah, I'm just going to do that right here to save some time. Okay, and then go back to the beginning of the clip, drag the clip all the way up, and then press back, and then press on mirror, and press on this last option, color, tracking blur, press on create, press done. Okay, and then your transition should mainly be done, but if you do want it to be like a continuous loop, you can put the reverse effect on the clip and then add another shake in the beginning. So that's what I'm going to do real quick. Okay, now your video should look something like this. And if you want to add a little more pizzazz to it, you can press on edit, press on merge scene, and then set the end at the end of your timeline and the start at the start of your timeline or part of the transition, and press on merge and just confirm that, press on save. Now you can press on new, multi-layer, and then press on layer 1 and then import what we just merged together. Now you can press on edit keyframes and go over a little bit in the timeline, a little bit before the Twitch transition, and then place down a size keyframe, and then you can go over in the timeline to a little bit after, place down another size keyframe, and drag the size up. I'm putting mine at 115. Now you can press on this straight line and then press on this curve, and you can play it back, and this is what it looks like. And if you think it zooms in too fast, too slow, you can always adjust that by either putting the keyframes closer together to make it faster or putting them farther apart to make it slower. Now I'm going to turn this into a cute little transition warp for the video. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to go over to the very end of the clip and place down another size keyframe. And I'm gonna go over to where I want the transition to start, so a little bit past this third keyframe, and then I'm gonna place down a keyframe, and I'm gonna go to the very end and drag this size down to about 60. And I'm gonna press on the straight line, press on custom, and then copy what I do, but just make sure you're on the Bezier curve. Okay, once it looks something like this, press on done. Now go to the very beginning of your clip and then go over to where you want the first part of your zoom transition to end. I'm gonna actually put mine at the second keyframe. So there's already a size keyframe, so I'm just gonna press on the straight line, press on custom, and then make sure you're on Bezier curve again and just copy what I do. Once it looks something like this, press on done, and then go to the very beginning of your clip and drag the size up to about 160. And then play it back to see how you like it so you can adjust some things if needed. I like that, so I'm going to press on back, press on mirror, press on this last option, and you don't really need tracking blur for this, otherwise it kind of messes up the twitch. So I'm going to press on create, press on done. Now to make it smooth, I'm going to press on new, press on transform, and then make sure I'm on VS motion blur. And if you click on edit, you can change the setting. These are my settings, but most settings will work as long as they're not too extreme. Now press on create and wait for it to load. Now play it back just to make sure you like it. I like that, so I'm going to press on done. And that is it, guys. Hopefully you guys found this tutorial helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye!